Hi students, welcome to Sridhar CC Ananthapuram YouTube channel and welcome to our session, editorial analysis session. So as usual, daily we discuss a quote of the day for the motivation purpose. We start the day with the motivation and one word substitutions, phobias and manias list were completed by yesterday. And idiomatic expressions are taken to you people like exam point of view, how these idiomatic expressions are asked and how to use them in an exact sense is discussed right from today. Next, phrasal verbs, already we are in the alphabetical order, and editorial vocab even covered stuff vocabulary with parts of speech along with the idiomatic expressions, phrasal expressions, and also this phrasal verbs in the particular editorial which we are about to discuss, and analysis related to editorial. And the last but not the least, test of the day with a new model and a new shortcut, so we come forward to you. So without delaying, let's get to quote of the day. Don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. So the biggest problem to any person is comparing self with others. So why that comparison? So, and moreover, parents even habituated to this particular kind of malpractice, that is comparing their kids, their words with other people, which is a biggest blunder that they can do in their lifetime, because comparison doesn't make the kids better. Definitely it degrades the standards as well as the characterization and their attitude. That thing we need to understand. And moreover, these days we people by self we try to compare with others, like so what I observed recently is this social media, like you take Insta or Facebook or something like that. So you people watch your friends or relatives or pics in that and try to compare your life with them and try to degrade yourself and get into depression. So just leave them off because your life is yours and their life is theirs, and the thing is there is no comparison between yours and others because your life is yours. So you shine in your time. When your time comes, definitely you shine, guys. So don't compare your life to others. That's what this quote says. So don't compare at any cost with others because their life is theirs. They don't offer even a single penny to you people, right? So you just try to do your work promptly, honestly, and dedicatedly. Definitely you get your day, and definitely you may, who knows what happens next, what happens tomorrow. The only thing is in our hands is the present moment, and try to make use of it best and try to reach our goals. And definitely who knows that you may be better than them one day. So just wait for the day and try doing whatever you can right at this moment to reach your goal and try to better yourself up. But it's not about comparison. Comparison shall be with you to yesterday what you were. So that's what the thing here. Let's get to, yes, I got you today. Actually I told you root words will be discussed right from today. So here what I thought is idiomatic expressions, examination wise, like phrasal expressions, how the people commit mistake, how these are asked in error detections, just like that. So very ignorable, like we just ignore them thinking a small mistake. But so how you lose marks, that kind of thing I would like to discuss right from today. See this, it's a kind of expression. Actually these expressions you are getting in editorial vocabulary also, try to remember that. So mandate, that mandatory, mandate means to make something compulsory, to make something to act in a particular way, especially a command or authorization. That is the expression, like mandate must follow this, that. So here mandates as, like see this, the management mandates as no employee be given more than 3 sick leaves per month. Like you don't feel any mistake when you look at especially for what for this error detection or phrasal improvement. But here if you know this mandate, that definitely like if you link in your mind these two words, definitely you are not going to lose your marks, especially when it comes in the exam point of view, examination. Mandates that no employee, mandates that, mandates that. Next, second expression is mistake X for Y. So actually most of the people know this. I mistook, mistake, mistake and other verb forms. Mistake X for Y, actually the meaning of it is misunderstand. So correct usage is just like I mistook, actually it's past form. I mistook Hillary for Henry. I mistook Hillary to be Henry. I mistook Hillary as Henry. Obviously they are considered mistakes. So remember guys, mistake takes a for preposition, it's an expression. Right guys? So the next one is modeled after, like after only shall be fixed with this. Modeled after means like meaning exactly is that name or that thing is taken after one particular person. For example, this town is modeled after Shanghai and not this town is modeled as Shanghai. Like you don't feel mistake here. That's the interesting thing here. This town is modeled as Shanghai is obviously wrong. But your mind accepts for that. Observe this. This town is modeled as means just like Shanghai. But this expression modeled after shall be used. These things you need to understand carefully. Try to follow these and take PDFs and take down the notes even. Then you can remember. And moreover, again, I'm telling you guys. So definitely you try to revise these notes. So like if you are preparing notes, revise this now and then. Then only you can remember. So whatever you learned in the previous classes. If not, definitely not only you but also everyone, whoever, even I, who am teaching here, definitely. So we people forget. So the only thing which we can do is repeating, revising these things. Those things can be remembered. Right. Next, phrasal verbs. Already we are in M in the alphabetical order. Move out. So this is a regular thing, like you're moving out means you're leaving your house or office for another one. My neighbor is leaving, he is moving out next Saturday. So moving out means leaving. Nod off, here nodding means so just to shake your head, especially when you are a little asleep, fall asleep. My grandfather often nods off in front of the television. So most of the people see this kind of situation, especially when we are watching TV, like we try to nod off. So maybe you are tired or bored or something like that. So nod off OFF means to fall asleep. Next, note down. This is a regular phrasal verb, like note down means so to write something down as a notes. I'll call the station, note down the departure times. And the last one, opt out, option. Opt out, to leave a system or decide not to participate. So what is this? I enjoy tennis, but I'm so busy, I had to opt out of the tournament. So actually the thing is, I enjoy tennis, but I'm so busy that I had to opt out of this tournament. Means I had to leave this tournament. I had to I decided not to participate in this tournament is the sense. Okay, let's get to the vocabulary of the day here. So what sort of things we got here? Back and forth, it's a phrasal expression. See, again, editorial wise even you are getting phrases. So try to remember and try to note them down. Even back and forth means in random directions, like in disorderly manner, from place to place. Hither and thither, this is also an expression. Remember, hither and thither. So it's actually poetic expression, to and fro. Everyone knows this. From pillar to post, this is also an expression, from pillar to post, in a disorderly manner. Right guys? Next, financial action task force. This one is very important. It's a content term. Financial action task force is the global money laundering terrorist financing watchdog. What is the meaning of watchdog? Which carefully observes the things, especially money laundering and terrorist financing. That is Financial Action Task Force. It's a global organization. The intergovernmental body sets international standards that aim to prevent these illegal activities and the harm they cause to the society. Thus, that is the main task of this task force. That is Financial Action Task Force. Obligation means duty or responsibility. Soil means, so here in this context it means territory. Next, cross border means across the border of between two countries. One step or two, it's a phrasal expression. One step forward and two steps back. Any progress made is balanced out by problems. Next, when it comes to, one more phrasal expression, when it comes to means when considering a specific thing. Border, speculative, adjective of broad. So broader is superlative adjective of broad. Broader, yes, describing an opinion that is shared by many people. Broader, so broad related adjective, considering many people or many different kinds, like comparing, right? Next, come as a surprise, which is a phrasal expression. Come as a surprise means to be unexpected, to make someone feel surprised. SRO, statutory regulatory order. So order issued by the government organization to its regulated entities to fully implement the action items listed in it. So the organization, that order which makes the regulated things to keep in action, to implement in action perfectly. The Minister of MFA, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Pakistan issued a statutory regulatory orders to provide legal cover for implementing sanction measures under UNSCR, that means United Nations Security Council resolutions. Next set of vocabulary. Designated, you know that, identified or recognized or named as Interpol, International Police System. At least it's a phrasal expression, at the minimum, not less than. Mastermind, planner, originator or organizer, like who is behind of all the things. Imply, which is a verb, say indirectly or suggesting or indicating. Sanctions, action taken or order given to force a country to obey international laws by limiting or stopping trade with that country. So that kind of meaning according to this context. Next, thus far. So this is also an expression. Until now, up to this point. Thus far, up to this particular point. NACTA, National Counter-Terrorism Authority. National Counter-Terrorism Authority. It is a Pakistani internal counter-terrorism authority. It is mandated to devise a counter-terrorism strategy that should address short, medium and long-term goals and devise action plans for their implementation. Next, try. So, you know, here according to this context, here or investigate, a formal judgment on it, and pass judgment or adjudicate. Briefly, temporarily, we know this. In contrast to, especially it follows to, in opposition to be different from something else. Next, few more vocabulary. Counter, noun, that means opposite, contradict or rebuff or oppose or dispute, negate also. Disclaimer, disclaimer tells you a denial, refusal or rejection. Next, phrasal expression, give credence to, I admit something as true, that means yes, it is true. Pay lip service, it's also a phrasal expression, remember this, it's an important one. Pay lip service to means without taking any steps, just giving support, means just talking wise, not in action wise. Matter of concern, it's also a phrasal expression, something which causes worry. Matter of concern means, so we have to worry about that particular thing. Regardless of, one more phrase, so we got so many phrases in this editorial vocabulary today. Regardless of, irrespective of, like without considering anything. Prosecute means take to court, institute legal action against, charge with, accuse of. Next, apprehend means arrest or catch. Comprehend is different, apprehend is different. So arrest or catch or capture. Plenary, it's a noun, that means meeting. Merit, it's a verb. Justify or to be worth of or have a claim to. Reprieve, cancellation or suspension, postponement of something. And what is the context about? What is this editorial about? So here back and forth, like to and fro on this moves to tackle terrorism, on Pakistan's moves. Pakistan must fulfill its FATF obligations by acting against terrorists. Pakistan's moves, what are the important points? So just have a discussion. Moves to tackle terrorism on its soil, on its territory, particularly cross-border terrorism, have often been described as one step forward and one step back. So like to and fro, the things are happening in Pakistan. When it comes to the border support, terror groups have enjoyed within the country. However, everyone knows about this. Thus, it would come as a little surprise that within days of issuing statutory regulatory order listing directing officials to implement the UNSC committee resolutions against them, Pakistan's Foreign Affairs Ministry denied that the listing was new. So, however, they denied this particular thing according to this SRO. The listing had UNSC and Interpol information on at least 5 Pakistani passports. So, this list, whatever they are discussing, had UNSC and also Interpol information at least on 5 Pakistani passports and 3 Karachi addresses that belong to Dawood. Yes, you would have got the point right now. So the discussion is about the Dawood related, the former underworld Don related information. So in this terrorist point, the accused mastermind of Mumbai's 1993 blast. However, the MFA says that the SRO did not imply an admission that he lives there. So they did not give an implication that he lives there. Instead, it argues the move was a routine one as a part of Pakistan's international commitments. So it even argues that the thing is so as a part of Pakistan's international commitments, this happened. Next, accordingly, Pakistan is required to align its domestic terror listings with those issued by the UNSC's ISIL and Al-Qaeda Sanctions Committee. Yes, thus for the domestic listing, what happened, maintained under the country's Anti-Terrorism Act by the National Counter-Terrorism Authority, NACTA, had not included either Dawood or Lakwi, who was tried briefly for 26/11 attacks but was granted bail in 2014. All these things happened. In contrast, LET chief Hafiza Saeed and JEM chief Masood Azhar, who was designated by the UNSC in May 2019, have been added to the domestic NACTA NACTA list. The MFA also claims that the listing that included Dawood and Lakwi had been issued earlier, a claim countered by the Indian government sources who say this is a first. Right. So, few more important points. The confusion over SRO and Pakistan's disclaimer, that is denial thing, that is give credence, that means believe that to the belief that its government lacks a seriousness of purpose when it comes to its action against terrorists. Yes. So it's denying, Pakistan is denying. If in fact the SRO had named these terrorists in past orders, then why has it failed to add them to its domestic listing? So this is one more question which rises in the people's minds. If it has included Dawood's addresses, so if it addresses and passports on its own SRO, directing officials to ensure everyone on the list does not have access to funding. Yes, of course. Finally, arms or travel. Then for the foreign ministry to say it is paying lip service to FATF directives, is a matter of concern. Here the thing is, whatever the denial expressed by Pakistan, so this seems definitely they don't have access to funding. So this is a matter of concern, like foreign ministry, for the foreign ministry. And moreover, they are paying lip service, they are not implementing the actions, they are just telling it orally. Finally, regardless of which list Pakistan places any of the terrorists named and when it did so, the question is that has Pakistan done to investigate, prosecute and apprehend them? The question here which arises in everybody's mind is, so what has this Pakistan done to investigate or prosecute or apprehend them, arrest or catch them? This one we got it. So in October, Pakistan is expected to face some of these questions at the FATF plenary session, which will decide if its actions merit a reprieve from the grey or increased monitoring list or to be downgraded to the black or high risk jurisdiction list and face sanctions. So however, so these things in October is expected, so by this October in 2020 it's going to face some of these questions from this plenary session of FATF, so which it's going to decide its actions merit a reprieve from the grey. So already it's in grey area, grey to downgraded to blacklist or high risk jurisdiction list and face actions. Finally, the conclusion, so final words are, Pakistan needs to show proof of its actions on the ground rather than going back and forth on the paperwork. So it has to show proofs to the world. That is the only way to prove its essence that it's doing something to counteract this terrorism. Test of the day. Let's get to the test of the day ahead of the Bihar Assembly poll, the election. So however, so the thing is, so we need to understand the highlighted part. If there is no correction required, we need to say E is the option. If there is any correction required, we have to pick out from the given options. Actually, we say for remove this conduction of polls. Conduction polls is wrong because conduction noun, polls is noun. So right from here, guidelines for conduction polls is wrong. That means no correction required is eliminated. Guidelines for conduction polls wrong. Guideline. So however, we receive guidelines, not guideline. Guidelines for conducting polls. Yes, conducting polls. For follows V4, which is gerund, accepted. Conduction guidelines of is rejected. Conducing is meaningless here, so the answer is B. Next question. Attempt to share their. Where is it actually? Attempts to share their concerns. They repeated their plural attempts accepted. To share their THIR is accepted, no correction required. All these are eliminated. You can see attempt is wrong, attempts is required. Attempts to share THIR is required because a possessive adjective is required. Attempt to share there is rejected. Attempting is also rejected because, so here repeated it takes an objective case, that's why we take attempts which is noun. Next. In view of is preferred, OF of is preferred, that means OFF are cancelled. Okay, of the prevailed pandemic or prevailing pandemic. So prevailing right now happening, that's why prevailing pandemic is accepted. Next, 2 plus V1, that means V2 rejected, S form rejected. So in these two, to resolve the issue or issuance of certificate or something like that. Issue means about some problem or something. So answer is to resolve the issue responsibly. C is the answer. Next, last but not the least, Justice D.N. Patel and Justice Pratik note that. Noted is preferable. Noting, notes rejected, which is past because was is also there. Noted that the report stated, reports is wrong, report stated, because report singular is preferred. The report stated that. So answer is B. Right guys, that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the class, you enjoyed watching it. So many are yet to come, so kindly subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and don't forget to like. Thank you for watching. Signing off.